Hi everyone, this is Deb. I have a combined haul for you from Blick Art Materials, which I'll do at the end, um, Walmart, which I'll do first because it's only two things, and Amazon. And this really will be my last haul for 2024 because I did my budget the other day. I'm like, yikes. Well, I didn't go for crafty stuff, but I walked right by the aisle. I'm like, no, I got to go check it out. I've been seeing people use these Super Tips washable markers. They had two, but I thought the colors in this were really pretty, and I thought they'd be all right for bold and easy. Draw thin and draw thick. I didn't even open these yet, so I don't know. Do they have two tips? Let us see. Oh, how does that work? Okay, it works how I thought, except I kind of broke it. No, just one. Okay, so you can, if you draw thin, if you put the very point down and on the side, okay, because it's sort of chiseled, but it's round. Hope that makes sense. There we go. So pretty colors, like that color. That's why I picked it out. And these are by Crayola, so washability you can trust. Variety of 50 different colors. Durable conical tip, that's the word for it. Allows for thin lines from the point and thicker lines when held at an angle. There you go. They're great for school projects, doodling, and all around coloring fun. I really think I'll like those. And, they're not artist quality, they're child quality. So I'm going to let my inner child come out and use them. Especially if I'm using them in a coloring book that doesn't require a lot of, high-end stuff. And then I also got, because these I think are Walmart exclusive. Now, I already bought Colors of the World, although I think it was a 24 pack and this says 32. So I'll have to check what extras are in there. But 150 different color pencils. I'm not going to open it right now. I don't know that I'll color swatch it either. I might, but I might not because I actually have a tendency to, oh, they have six new colors. 112 classic colored pencils, 32 colors representing the world. Oh, they have the eye ones in there. Cool. And then these Cool Mint, Cray Yellow, Powder Blue, Oatmeal, Eggplant, and Lavender. Awesome. Lots of pretty colors, lots of purples and pinks, which you don't always get much of. And some pale like apricot and stuff. I do have some of those. So, if not anything else, it might fill the gap in what colors I don't have anywhere else. So I got those. I'm done buying colored pencils now after you see the Blick Art Materials one too. I did get this Tombow. It is Tombow brand coloring marker holder because I bought a different one. I'm going to do a separate video, but you can see these fit in top to bottom. It is a very snug fit. I haven't transferred all of them in yet. There are two zippers. I forget how many it said it held. Oops, see, I don't even have all the packaging out. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 times 3. So, oh gosh, 18, 18 is 36. 54? I think 54. Plus there's a pouch. And I only have 2 packs of 10 plus some of these that I had extra, I think. Or no, these were my extras and I had them here on my desk, so I put them in, but I have 20 other ones and they're going to be transferred into here, and I hope to get a few more colors of those, but probably not till next year. I'll do a separate video because I want to show you the other case. And then the rest of Amazon is coloring books. I got this one because this is the one. I don't know if they're going to continue in this next year or if they're almost finished with it. But Martha told me I should get some bold and easy large print coloring books. I said I have some on the way. Anyway, this is one that Jamie at Jamie's Life is using, and in conjunction with Pat in their Color with Friends. And anyway, I wrote it. Oh, I wrote it down. Coloring Party with Friends 2024, hosted by at Jamie's underline life underline 101 and co-hosted by at Crafting with Pat and more. I will link their channels down below, but for next week, Monday, they're doing, today is Sunday already, they're doing this picture, so I better get my button gear. I don't know if I'll participate every week. I like that it has a spot to write the date on it, and then you can either sign right under it or sign down here or something. But this one's not Christmassy or wintry or fall, but it's sea themed, so that's interesting. And last week I know they did this one. I don't know if they're going in order, maybe. I know, yeah, maybe, because I remember seeing people do the pie. I don't remember who. But so there's still quite a few pages in here. I think there's more than what'll be the rest of the week. So that'll be fun. So let me move that one. And then I got another one for a different collab, which I thought was on Tuesdays, but I think it's on Monday also. And this is, the channel is Rosemary's You Rock Art. And the hashtag is Color and Create with Us Rock Art. And you color, if you have this book, you can play along. This coming week, they're doing this one, and I think it's adorable. And last week they did one back further here. It was also mushrooms, this one. I think it's the only page that has a black background in here, but Rosemary did a really bright, colorful one of this. I loved it. Reminded me of 70s psychedelic mushrooms. Yeah, no, I didn't. I never had those. Don't worry. So anyway, yeah, Monday the 18th, this is what they're using. So I'm going to try and do that. And even if they don't use this book next year, I think, oh no, I lied. Here's another one. I will enjoy coloring at my own pace in it because there's some really pretty images in here. Oh, look, even like a mandala or a wreath. Oh, miss you. So I don't want to do full walkthroughs on these. You've probably seen those too. So this one came separately. Well, yeah, this one came separately. This is the one. I actually was on the phone with Amazon on Friday, because Amazon changed in the description to saying likely delivered on the 13th to, we apologize if you don't get it by the 19th, we'll refund you. They still had that if you clicked on track package, but it said likely delivered on the 13th. I'm like, it was not delivered on the 13th. Well, it showed up on the 15th. This is a German coloring book, and I did get a translator. So the name of it is the Herbal Elves Coloring Book, if the translation is correct. And the description in here is how wonderfully, beautifully matured the delicate flower children in the sunlight. When the brush gently brushes the colors, you paint a poem with colors. Color tones, what harmony, synthesis, and delicate manner, ringing colors, gentle melody, you breathe life into the paper. That's what all this says. So anyway, I think these are adorable. I will have to translate these as I do the pages, but they just have that little story. So if you use things that bleed through, the story will be covered, but it's okay. Um, or if you use pencils and things, you could actually color this, which is the same on each page. So I'll do oh, and there's also, apparently she writes books because there's this full page layout, and look, part of a story, Les Probe, which unfortunately that page I'll have to do in pencil because I don't want to cover up that story. Then you have this whole picture here. So pretty. And this one is Les Probe too. So you get an idea of what the artist felt. And then in the very back is about the artist, Christel Vogel. Looks like she was born in Ostrich, maybe. It said something in here about Sweden, so I don't know if she's German or Sweden or whatever. But I also have to save the packaging because look at that. Isn't that cool? This came, by the way, it was shipped from Prime Deals USA. And it came USPS, but they never gave me a USPS tracking number. So I think it came from overseas to some place in New Jersey that handled it. And then they put a USPS tracking on it, but they never sent that to me. Never gave it to me on Amazon, and I was getting upset. But the representative I talked to said they could not send me a refund until the 20th. I'd have to call back if I didn't receive it by then. Fortunately, I got it and I'm very happy about that. So thank you for finally coming through Amazon and Prime Deals USA. I don't know that I'll ever buy through them again because I don't like that they didn't provide tracking, but I am so happy to have this. Yep. Anyway. Long story. Another bold and easy coloring book, Xmas Cuties by Southern Lotus. And others have done flip through. She's got a whole bunch of bold and easy books. You can use this paper to put behind. There's some test colors, pages, and this has, it's all Christmas. So yeah, I'm looking forward to doing some of these for these. Oh my gosh, what is it with these cute mischievous chubby cat there? uh, I really need this and I have two other Christmas coloring books. Plus, I'm planning on doing Matchstick Mouse. Hopefully one a day. I don't know. But I am having trouble getting in the Christmas spirit. No, I like that they like kitties. Yeah. So anyway, that's a very quick flip through. You get the picture. Another bold and easy. Okay. And then I have two more. This one is Arctic themed miniatures to color by Camelia and Jalkova. Look, look. So I'll do a quick flip through. If anybody would like a full walkthrough of any of these, let me know. Okay, so when I was looking through here, I was kind of weirded out by their eyes. And I thought, boy, they look strange. But then when you look at the cover, you can see it's like the white reflection from the ice, I guess, and then two shades like the inner eye, the color around it, and the white. So it makes sense. It just looked weird to me when I first saw it. So hopefully I can do the eyes justice. I'll do better with the ones that are squinting. But they're kitties, they're birdies, and they're not all Christmas. They're winter. So this can go into, January, February, all the way to April around here. So one sec, please. So anyway, I did a quick flip through on that. And then my last one is by Martha Makes Art. She has, oops, let me go up a little bit. She has her own coloring book now on Amazon. It's all teddy bears, and I'm going to do a separate video with a detailed walkthrough on this one so you can see all the pages. Created by Martha Makes Art, and she hand drew this one, and she said she hand drew many of the pictures, and some were AI, but she edited them and made them her own. So anyway, there are some adorable pictures in here, and who doesn't love a teddy bear? I don't know. So anyway, I am looking forward to using this as well throughout 2025 and beyond, probably. I have a lot of coloring books now. Way too many probably, but I intend to use them. Now that said, people are getting upset, I guess, that I haven't been doing my other stuff. I am still planning on doing journaling. I am still planning on doing ATCs, altered playing cards. I'm probably going to continue Deck the Year next year. If Penny continues next year, I think she seems like she's going to. And I found another whole regular deck of cards, so that's probably what I'm going to do next year. But next year, I think I'll send some out. Yeah. And I have, and also embellishments on the 11th will continue next year. and I will participate in Crack the Vault next year. And I have a whole list of things that I haven't used either ever or for a long time. And like, for example, my jelly plate. Stay tuned in 2025. Okay, so stay tuned also for a full flip through separate video on this one and a separate video on the Tombow markers. Oh, and I said Dick Blick. Yes, I think I might have shown in a separate video, but I bought 48 more Polychromos pencils. So I will now have, I don't have the colors, I haven't swatched these yet. I will now have 98. 24 in a tin I originally bought, 26 from a previous order, those are on here, and wherever there's a little X is what I bought in here. So all kinds of beautiful colors. I really love Dick Blick for individual pencils, and I think they also carry, oh, what am I trying to say? What's the other one people like? Prismacolor Premier. Yeah, and I have a tin of, I think, 48 for that one. I don't know if I'll get more of those. We'll see. Because I love these. I love these Polychromos, which are oil-based pencils. And I have Arteza and Prismacolor Premier and Sioux Color, which is really cheap but works good for me. So, yeah, if you want to see me swatch these, let me know. Otherwise, I'll just do it off camera and put them in my case that I have, which will hold them all. So, yeah, all right. I will be back with separate videos on Tombow and on Martha's coloring book walkthrough. Maybe not in that order. See you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.